Subscribe and press the bell icon to enjoy more exciting and enlightening videos from Dheya. Hello and welcome to yet another riveting episode of Dheya Masterpieces. This is your host Shreyas. Today, we are going to have a conversation with our career mentor, Mr. Ankur Tyagi. Hello, sir. How are you doing today?
Hello, Shreyas. I'm good. How about you?
I'm also good, sir. Thank you very much for asking. I would like to thank you very much for joining Thay as a career mentor now. Welcome to our community. Let us begin today's episode by knowing more about your career path and journey. So, can you please walk us through that?
Yeah. Firstly, I would like to thank Dea to add me into their pronoun family. It is really pleasure for me to be a part of Dea. About me, I am basically mechanical engineering by my education. I have done
Mm-hmm.
mechanical engineering in 2006 and I have been working in various automobile companies since then. Overall, I have an
Okay.
experience of around 15 years, which
Mm-hmm.
includes like I started with Exide, which is a battery manufacturing company, and then worked with Tata, Honda, and also in Ford. So
Mm-hmm.
I have been mostly into the production of cars and quality assurance of the cars. This
Okay.
is about my professional thing, and I have been since beginning of my career into coaching and training in my job also. That's
Uh-huh.
how I like to coach others on the things which I know, and I believe like when I coach others, that is a good platform for me to learn something new also, because when you
Okay.
coach, you learn something new always.
True. After having such a long career in the mechanical engineering field, what exactly inspired you to become a career mentor and join Thay?
Yeah, so as I mentioned that I have been into coaching and training to my team members, and even like voluntarily I am supporting some of my known members nearby my houses and in my relatives who
Mm-hmm.
are basically looking for career guidance, how to do and how to go forward. So I like
Okay.
to support others in getting what they are looking from their career, so
Mm-hmm.
that they can go into the right path, because I have done some similar things and I have gone through the same time which they are right now. So I
Mm-hmm.
hope I am supporting them by providing my experience, and
Mm-hmm.
that's where I actually heard about they around 3 years ago. It took me
Yeah.
2 years to join it because of some other
Okay.
priorities in between, but I was
Mm-hmm.
looking to join it since last 2 years. And
Okay.
in there basically the main thing is when you support somebody who is in need, you will feel internal happiness. It is not just like you are just supporting and yes you are coming back. It gives you some internal happiness, and also you learn something there. As I told you, when you coach someone or you when you guide someone, you yourself learn a lot. So
True.
these few things are very important, which really pushed me to join there.
How do you think Theya is changing the overall perspective about career and career mentoring?
Okay, so I will tell you when I joined Dea and I have gone through a few of the sessions. First
Mm-hmm.
thing that I removed from my dictionary is judgment.
Right.
So that's what I learned. Never judge anybody. You are not
True.
someone to judge anybody, but
Mm-hmm.
try to understand what are the strength in somebody. Because
Yeah.
judgment make you only will give you only two things: yes or no, right or wrong.
Correct.
So that's where they is different. That's what I like most when they told me just remove the word judgment, start working upon what are the strength of somebody.
Mm-hmm.
We have learned what many time it is being asked like what are your weakness. There is no weakness in
Yeah.
anybody. Everyone
Yes.
has its his or her own strengths. So why to discuss or work upon weakness? Just focus on strength. Like
Yeah.
I used to give an example of Rahul Dravid and Virendra Sehwag. Dravid and
Okay.
Sehwag cannot interchange it themselves, but they both are like as separate individuals, and they both are required. They both have different capabilities. They both
True.
were required in Team India. So
Mm-hmm.
similarly, every individual have different capability, different strength. We need to understand them and utilize them to the right way.
As you know, that there are still some preconceived notions about some quintessential or some benchmark careers which lead you to success, such as engineering, doctor, law, etc. Whatever. So people only know these many careers. So what advice do you like to give to today's parents and students about choosing the right direction?
So I will give my own example, and nothing has
Sure.
changed much in India till now. I will say you nothing
True.
has changed because still the same thing like at my time also when I joined engineering college at that time, it was
Mhm.
just like either you become an engineer or become a doctor. It was like
Correct.
that, and currently also it is like engineer or doctor, these two professions, or maybe somewhat nowadays law also. People know about that also, but these are the main stream careers which parents or students look about. So what
Correct.
happen is after 10-15 years when you are able to understand yourself, you will be able to
Mhm.
understand. You will never be able to understand in the beginning, but after 10-15 years you will be able to understand, okay, I am this, but I am doing this, I could have done this 10 years ago.
Right.
So basically, that is what I want to tell our students and their parents, that do not waste those 10-15 years. After 15 years, you will realize, okay, I am on a wrong path. I have to correct my path. Rather than that, understand your strength today, change your
Mhm.
path today, so that after 15 year, you should not be thinking about where I am. You will be thinking, okay,
True.
I am on my right path. So this is my
Right.
advice. Understand your or your kids' strength and
Mhm.
follow the right path so that they can achieve the right thing in their career. And main thing is not success. Success with happiness is the important thing. There are many successful personality, but happiness plus success, there are very less. So that is what they are aims at, and that is what really something wonderful we should be looking for.
I sincerely thank you for joining us today and sharing your valuable and precious time and sharing your experiences and insights with us. And thank you all for watching this episode today. I'm sure you must have found it insightful, inspirational, and enlightening. Stay tuned and stay safe. Until next time.